So this is my latest purchase. It is a YardMan MTD 10.5 horsepower 26-inch cut. She's rough. She's in rough shape, but it works. It's also got power steering, which is nice, and believe it or not, it works. You have your typical gear selector here. You have your chute control here, your rotation, let's see, so it's a bit rusty. The electric starter doesn't work, but she is what she is. Someone did some welding there on the corner, and they painted it. But this is the thing I like. Just look at those augers. They are in really good shape for the age of this machine. It's got its quirks and it's got its flaws, but I mean, it is what it is. Just wanted something to go and do the driveway, and I had no problem. It had no problem getting through this, and that was about twice as high yesterday. It's about 5 degrees out there now, so that's after melting. But I guess you want to hear this going, so this is going to be a job. Now I'm going to try and start this now. We're holding the camera. I don't know how the hell I'm going to go and do this. So let's see, put that there, put that up, put that about there. 1, 2. Oh. Morris, on me your light. And there we go. There it is. So what did I pay for this? I paid a whopping $75 and had it delivered to my door. So this is what $75 gets you. Was it a bargain? Maybe so, maybe not, but I think it was. Anyways,